If you don't need tracks, why would you ever want to use them? I sell both, but I mean, I've never seen a set of tracks go longer than 6,000 hours, and that's giving them a lot of credit. In this valley, we have people that put upwards of 3,000 hours a year on these tractors, which is probably more than anywhere else in the world. They're just trying to cut costs, and this does it. I see these tires in some applications go 10 to 12,000 hours with the tires, and the tires are a lot cheaper, and it's about efficiency. Multiple customers out there with between 25 and 30,000 hours on them. Nothing rolls across the ground cheaper, and horsepower per hour is efficiency. These are sticking to the ground, they're not compacting the ground. Every person that I've been able to get to try them loves them. They do everything a tractor machine does, only you have 4 moving axles and wheels versus 30 or 40 moving parts, bogies, tracks. I feel, in my opinion, tracks probably cost an extra $12 to $15 an hour to run, and that's a lot of money when these guys are running them. A lot of people run these tractors 24 hours a day. We were able to do it before with 8 tires, but then you have a cumbersome tractor. Nobody wants to road it. You can't go down the road. I mean, this tractor here, it's under 12 feet. You can haul it on a lowboy without a permit. It's working good in our industry, very, very good. But it's just getting people to try it, and getting people to try new things is different, But everybody who's tried it is very thankful. Some people still say they want tracks, but every person that I have got to try this has been thankful for it.